I'm Herschell Burrow. I'm a fleet manager for Flintco here in Tulsa. We use Christian Brothers for our fleet maintenance. Reason being, it's a quick service. They'll come pick up our trucks. They drop them back off. If one of our drivers or if one of our guys are at a project, and they'll go to the project, pick up the truck for them, go do the service, and return it. They put the customer back into the service side of customer service. And they take care of us very well. And I mean, no matter what the issue is, if the truck has a hole in the tire, they'll actually take it to the tire shop and have it repaired for us, so we don't have to go pick up the truck and do another run. If it's a warranty issue, we don't have to go pick up the truck and take it to the dealership. They'll call us, tell us it was a warranty issue, and then they will take it to the dealership for the warranty work to be done on it. So it's a one-stop shop, as in we don't have to sit there and just constantly, okay, well, what in this? So now we got to take it to this guy. Christian Brothers handles it on both sides for us.